Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing the Anua Peach 70% Niacinamide Serum, a product that claims to brighten, hydrate and reduce hyperpigmentation. The Anua Peach 70% Niacinamide Serum is brightening and hydrating serum. It has 70% peach extract, which is amazing because it's full of vitamins, antioxidants and moisture, perfect for giving your skin that healthy, dewy glow. The peach extract helps to hydrate and soothe your skin, making it feel refreshed and calm. Plus, it has niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3. It's great because it helps with everything from brightening up your complexion to reducing the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. If you have uneven skin tone or acne scars, niacinamide is known for being super effective at improving those skin concerns over time. Let's talk about the texture because this serum has this lovely lightweight, almost gel-like consistency. It's not too thick or heavy, so it feels really light on the skin. When you apply it, it spreads easily and sinks in quickly without leaving any sticky or greasy residue. I absolutely love that it doesn't leave my skin feeling oily. It just feels hydrated and smooth, which is exactly what I want in a serum. What's also great is that this serum layers beautifully under other products in my routine, whether I'm using a moisturizer or sunscreen on top. I can just apply it, let it absorb for a few seconds and move on to my next step. It's perfect for a morning or nighttime routine. And for the scents, honestly, so subtle, it's not overpowering or artificial. It's just a light, pleasant scent that adds to the overall experience without being too much. Talking about the skin types, this serum is great for all skin types, but especially for anyone dealing with dullness, dark spots or uneven skin tone. If you've got acne scars or pigmentation issues, niacinamide can really help lighten those spots and even out your skin. Oily and acne-prone skin types will also benefit as niacinamide helps regulate oil production and minimize pores. And for sensitive skin, the formula is gentle enough too. Just be sure to patch test first before going all in. If you're in your 20s or 30s, this serum is perfect to add to your routine for those preventative skincare measures. And if you're dealing with acne scars or redness, this could really help out. If you've tried this serum or have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more skincare reviews. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.